Alright, next trick we're going to be working on is called Jamaican flag. It also has been known as the Confederate flag. What it looks like is this. It's a square with a cross across it. If you look at the Jamaican flag, it looks just like that in the picture. And we're going to teach you how to do this next. The easiest way to learn Jamaican flags with a dead yo-yo. You don't want it spinning. Just drop it down. Let it stay down there, not spinning. The first step, Jamaican flag. Take your right hand like so. Your left hand, at least this is my left hand, this is going to be your non-throw hand, the one not attached to the string. Take 3 fingers just like so. You bring them down from the front side of the string and you pull it up. Kind of makes a right angle there. You do the same thing with your right hand now, your throw hand, the one attached to the string. You bring it down to the string, you grab it, and pull it up. Just like that. Makes a little triangle. Now, this is a little bit of a tricky part. Watch my left hand here. My left hand, or non-throw hand, twists forward like that, and then reaches down across and just grabs the string in the same manner and pulls it up. Now we've got a cross. Then bring your pinky down, grab that string, and you have the Jamaican flag. So, one more time now. Non-throw hand, throw hand, reach down with your non-throw hand again. You grab that and twist and pull back up. You want both your hands facing the same way. You can kind of point your thumbs up to make sure that they're both doing that. You should have your cross there. Bring your pinky down. You should have your Jamaican flag. Display it, like so, and then when you're ready to throw your sleeper into it, get a good strong sleeper. You don't want it wobbling too much or spinning out, and then you do your trick. 1, 2, 3, pull your pinky up there, hold your Jamaican flag, show it, drop it back down and catch. And that is the Jamaican flag.